what's up, y'all? This is Keenan from In the Smoke with Keenan, and check out what I got on the menu today. Okay, so what I got here is something that I rarely cook, but when I see some good packages in the store, I grab them. Got some good old beef ribs. That's 1 pack. That's 2 packs. I had 3 packs, but I don't think I would have been able to fit them on my smoker comfortably with enough room so smoke and air can get around them. I'm going to trim these bad boys up a little bit, not too much. Only thing I'm going to do is probably take off that little piece of silver skin right there and then score the back of them. The seasonings I'm going to use, as you can see, put that right there. In the background here, I'm going to be using some of this Suckle Buster's campfire steak seasoning. It says best in Texas. Hey, you know, I'll take their word for it. I'm going to use some of this Kinder's Prime Steak. This stuff is amazing. Use this on eggs. And then I'm going to try a combination of Island Boy Spices Rock Roast Rub. I like this because it got coffee in it. And then I'm going to sprinkle a little bit of this Redmond's sea salt, smoked salt, small batches. Show you the package, but I got some in here. So I'm going to go ahead and get that going. Show you how I'm going to get this hit. Ready. Threw that piece of pecan up in there. We're sitting at about like 275. I'm gonna shut these vents a little bit, a little dampers, because I opened them up to kick the temp up. And yeah, we should be good. Keep it between 275 and 260. Between 275 and 250, I should say. So let's get these bad boys loaded up. Got that pecan wood rolling. And I'm gonna throw these smaller racks up here with that Island Boy spice mix that I'm gonna try. The rock roast and the smoked salt. So I'm gonna throw those little ones up there. This is the Kinder Prime Steak one. And this is that Suckle Buster's campfire seasoning right here. So I got those up there. I got these. Try to bring these over right here because I know those are going to be done first. And I got the thicker ends towards the fire. And let's shut this and let it do what it do. Back in a minute. You know, we're good. A little bit over 2 hours in. And I like the color of these bad boys. I don't know if you can see that. Hold on, let me adjust that because I got a serious shadow. There we go. So you see I got them other ones wrapped up. I added some more charcoal and a couple pecan wood chips that I had just to get that charcoal reignited. And I want to kick back up this heat because I was dropping below 250. So these bad boys got some good color, but I definitely want to let them render a little bit more because I got some fat pockets up in there that I want to break down, like that one and that one right there. So I'm gonna leave this lid open, let this dirty smoke get up out of there, then I'm gonna close it down, and we're gonna be back in like another hour and a half or so. Yeah, just a quick little update. This is them little smaller racks of the beef rib seasoned with the Island Boy Spices Rock Roast Rub. And as you can see in there, if we focus, got coffee in there. Yeah, this stuff is good. I sprinkled it with a little bit of this Redmond's real salt, smoked sea salt, chef's blend. So let's see what we got here. But that went straight through. Oh, this is a butter knife too. You can't see that. What little meat is on there, it's good. I don't know if you can see that. Oh, there it is. Yeah. Well, I'm gonna finish gnawing on this, and I'm gonna let these other these other ribs that I got wrapped finish back in a minute. So we are done here. These bad boys been resting for about 35 minutes, and I was getting some good pullback on there before I had wrapped them, and I'm definitely happy about that. The other ones, the smaller racks, those are good, but like I said, them, everybody know them ribs from the grocery store. They don't be having too much meat on them. You get them, they call them finger ribs. But these definitely look better than the other ones that were in there, so that's why I went on ahead and snatched them up. Look at that. Oh man, look at that. Right there. Let's just flip that over there. Oh yeah. See, this is the smaller of the best looking one, and that's seasoned with the suckle busters. And yeah, now you can see that better. I remember to turn the light on next time. But the suckle busters campfire steak seasoning, that's what I season these with. And then I'm gonna show you this other rack. So this is that other rack that was seasoned with the Kinder's prime steak with black truffle and garlic, or black garlic and truffle. Man, this stuff is good. And I've been on the black garlic kick. That stuff is amazing. So let's see what this looks like. You see the pullback on the bones? That is good. I mean, look at the color. Nice and mahogany. Went on ahead and cut me up a little something. Nice little smoke ring on there. Ran these bad boys for about a little bit over 4 hours altogether. Like, like 3.5 hours of straight up cooking, and then I wrapped them for about less than an hour and a half. But I ran them between 275 and 300. That's so tender. This is that suckle busters. Man, look at that. It's amazing. Simply amazing. Well, let's try the Kinder's. No, that was the Kinder's. This is suckle buster. Every now and then, when you get a pack of them anorexic ribs in the grocery store, you come across a rack or two. Pretty good. Nice and meaty. Like steak on a stick. Yeah. Alright. Flies figured out I'm out here. I'm gonna set this down and wipe this grease off my lips. And appreciate y'all checking me out, joining me on this journey. This is my first time ever doing any kind of beef rib on the offset cook. So yeah, I'm definitely be getting to that. So now I know I can maintain the temp, keep my smoke right. That's not over smoked. The pecan wood is real nice and subtle, nice and smoky with that Kingsford charcoal. I didn't add anything else to it, none of those flavor boosters or anything like that. I just want a straight up beef with seasoning and pecan wood. So That was a nice little cook right there. So now I know I can maintain my smoke, my temps, and basically whatever I want to do on this bad boy. So it's time to get to it. All right, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, share this video. Check me out on Instagram, NotAllSmoke78. Check me out on TikTok, NotAllSmoke. Check me out on Black Smoke Barbecue Podcast. Check us out on all social media outlets. I don't know if Twitter, but Spotify, YouTube, Instagram, all that. Be sure to check out the Bomb Podcast, checking out the barbecue culture. All right, y'all be cool out there. It's Keenan. One.